Hello everyone, I'm Champa, the campus ambassador at Shivi Forensic. Welcome to today's Forensic Psychology MCQ session. In this series, I'll be presenting interesting multiple choice questions based on the forensic psychology concepts that are widely used in criminal investigations, court proceedings, offenders assessment, and legal decision making. Let's begin with our introduction. What is forensic psychology? Forensic psychology is the application of psychological principles, theories, and research to legal, criminal, and civil justice system. It bridges the field of psychology and law to understand human behavior in legal context. The key areas of forensic psychology include criminal behavior and offender profiling, competency to stand trial, insanity and criminal responsibility assessment, eyewitness testimony, risk assessment and offender rehabilitation, expert witness testimony. First MCQ. Competency to stand trial primarily concerns whether a defendant. The answer is option B. Can understand court proceeding and assess counsel. Competency to stand trial refers to a defendant's present ability to understand legal proceedings and assist their attorney in preparing a defense. A mental illness alone does not automatically render a person incompetent. The second MCQ is which legal standard is most closely associated with the insanity defense? The correct answer is McNaughton rule. The McNaughton rule is one of the most influential tests for legal insanity. It examines whether, due to a mental disease or defect, the accused did not understand the nature of the act or did not know it was wrong. Third MCQ, the McNaughton rule focuses primarily on the correct answer is C. Cognitive understanding of right and wrong. The rule is centered on cognitive capacity, whether the defendant knew what they were doing or knew the act was wrong at the time of the act. Fourth MCQ, a defendant who is found incompetent to stand trial. The correct option is option B. Cannot be tried until competence is restored. Due process requires that defendants be competent before trial. If found incompetent, legal proceedings are generally suspended until competence is restored. MCQ. Which forensic psychology topic is most directly related to eyewitness testimony? Answer. The correct option is option B. Memory and recall processes. Research in forensic psychology demonstrates that eyewitness memory can be affected by suggestion, misinformation, stress, and the passage of the time, making memory reliability a central issue. Next MCQ. The insanity defense evaluates a defendant's mental state. Answer is option C. At the time of the offense was committed. Insanity and competency are distinct concepts. Insanity concerns the defendant's mental state during the offense, whereas the competency concerns their current ability to participate in legal proceedings. 7th MCQ. Which statement is true regarding competency and mental illness? The correct option is option C. A person may have a mental illness and still be competent. Many individuals with mental disorder can adequately understand proceedings and assess counsel. Therefore, diagnosis alone does not determine competency. 8th MCQ. In forensic psychology, malringing refers to. Answer is option B. Deliberately exaggerating symptoms for external gain. Forensic psychologists frequently assess for malringing because individuals may exaggerate symptoms to avoid punishment, obtain benefits, or influence legal outcomes. This is a major concern in forensic evaluation. 9th MCQ. Which professional activity is common role of a forensic psychologist? The correct option is option B. Conducting competency and risk assessment. Forensic psychologists commonly perform competency evaluation, violence risk assessment, criminal responsibility evaluation, and expert testimony in court. Final MCQ of the session is, according to the McNaughton standard, a defendant may be considered legally insane if they, the answer is option C, did not know the nature of the act or that it was wrong. The McNaughton standard requires proof that a mental disease or defect impaired the defendant's ability to understand the nature of the act or recognize its wrongfulness.